Wagwan, beautiful people. Well, in Jamaican patois, we usually don't pronounce the TH sound. So, when we're saying three, the number three, when we so when we're saying three, the number three, it will sound like we say tree. It will sound like tree, like them tree there behind me. Sound like the tree. That's how it would sound because we don't pronounce the th sound in patois. It will sound like we're saying tree. The trees outside, right? And we also don't pronounce the H sound at the beginning of words, like we'll be saying here, the here. We'll also be saying here, like you hear, and it sounds like you're saying here, like the here that we breathe instead of here, because we don't pronounce the H sound, so it doesn't sound like we're saying here.